Good evening. It's Thursday, which means the U.S. Drought Monitor has updated and now includes 50% of the Western Carolinas in extreme drought. Now, that includes the Asheville area. That's a big change from last week. Asheville is actually about a foot down of rainfall since September of 2025. The last rainfall surplus Asheville had was in August of 2025. Now, our fire risk is going to increase into this weekend. We'll continue to have dry conditions, especially in terms of relative humidity, becoming extreme into Sunday. North Carolina has a burn ban in place until further notice. In South Carolina, red flag fire alert. That means that any spark can spread quickly. Taking a look at that humidity, we'll have this pattern for the next few afternoons and evening. Around 4 p.m., you see that dark brown? That shows those very dry conditions. Places like Rutherfordton at 16%, Asheville even at 19%. We'll see gradual improvement into the overnight hours each night. A high pressure system, and a strong one at that, is keeping us sunny here in the mid-Atlantic as well. Look at those blue skies, courtesy of our Hunter Subaru Skycam network. This is at Whiteside Mountain. We'll continue to see these views for the next few days. Could lead to some good sunsets as well. And on our radar and satellite, not too many clouds out there, just a few passing ones. Temperatures a bit warmer than yesterday in the 60s and still some 70s around Cherokee and Hot Springs. So tonight we'll see clear skies. You could see some stars out there too, and temperatures drop into the 40s. Here in Asheville, 39 degrees is your low temperature when you wake up in the morning. In Hendersonville, 41. So just make sure you have a light jacket on, especially as you head out the door. We'll continue to see those temperatures gradually increase into the 60s by about noon. Still could need that jacket, but 4 p.m. looking much warmer than what we're seeing today. Today we reached 66 degrees in the afternoon. Tomorrow we reach 76. Now highs tomorrow sitting in those 70s and 80s all around. Extended warmth is going to give us some high chances for pollen, especially if you're allergic to maple, oak, and elm. You could feel it the next few days. Colorado State University has released its 2026 Atlantic hurricane season forecast. We're looking at a below average season, although just one storm could be impactful. We're looking at an El Nino pattern for the summer, and that means that we'll have a rise of warm air in the Pacific, and as it travels to the Atlantic, what goes up must come down, and we get more wind shear and also less storms on the way. Here's your extended forecast. No rain chances until about Thursday of next week. It's going to be a dry one, and we're going to head to break.